How to export Telegram chat history on mobile. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to export Telegram chat history on mobile. To export your Telegram chat history from your mobile device, you will need to use the Telegram desktop app. Unfortunately, this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Install the Telegram desktop app on your computer. You can download it from the official Telegram website. Then, open the Telegram desktop app and log into your account using the one-time code sent to your mobile device. In the Telegram desktop app, open the chat you want to export. Now, click on the three-dot icon at the top of the chat window and select Export Chat History from the menu. In the Chat Export Settings pop-up window, select the items you want to export. Click on the address label next to the path to change the location where the exported files will be saved. Then, click on the Export button to start the export process. This may take some time depending on the size of the chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.